If you multiply minus 1 10 times, you will get positive value. Similarly, limit extends to a of f of x minus g of x is equal to limit extends to a of f of x minus limit extends to a of g of x, if a plus b plus c. So these two gets cancelled. The answer we are going to get is 1. Find the limit extends to 0 of ax plus b divided by cx plus 1. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed regarding in this session I am going to discuss regarding very important concept, that is algebra of limits, that we have discussed regarding algebra of the limits in the previous class. Today also I am going to discuss the problems on algebra of limits and limits of a polynomial and rational functions, right? Now move on to the algebra of these limits. Let us consider two functions. Let f of x and g of x be two functions such that limit extends to of f of x and limit extends to of g of x is, then limit extends to of f of x plus g of x is equal to limit extends to a of f of x plus limit extends to a of g of x. Just applying the limit for term by term. So if it is positive, means just put plus. Similarly, limit extends to a of f of x minus g of x is equal to limit extends to a of f of x minus limit extends to a of g of x. If it is positive, put plus. If it is minus, just minus. Apply the limit for first and second functions. Now, similarly, if it is a product, limit extends to a of f of x into g of x, means limit extends to a of f of x into limit extends to a of g of x. So, just apply the limit for both the functions. Then if it is of the form numerator by denominator quotient function, limit extends to a of f of x divided by g of x is equal to limit of numerator limit extends to a of f of x divided by limit extends to a of g of x, provided g of x is not equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, you will get an infinite value. So limit extends to a of lambda into f of x is equal to lambda is a constant into limit extends to a of f of x. So where lambda is equal to a constant. So that is, if limit extends to a of a constant into function is there, means you can take constant out and apply the limit for the function limit extends to a of f of x. Okay. Now move on to the problems based on this. Let us discuss the problems on this. So the limit of a rational function f of x is equal to g of h of x, where g of x and h of x are polynomials such that h of x is not equal to 0 is given by limit extends to a of f of x, that is g of x by h of x is g divided by h of a, where limit extends to a of g of x is g of a, limit extends to a of h of x is h of a. Just put x is equal to a g of a divided by h of a, provided this denominator is not equal to 0. Now let us move on to the simple problems. These are all 1 marker question, 1 mark. So evaluate the limits. Limit extends to 3 of x plus 3. Now what is given here? Limit extends to 3 of x plus 3. Just put x is equal to 3, that's all. If you put x is equal to 3, this is of the form limit extends to a of f of x. Limit extends to a of f of x. What is a? A is 3. So put x is equal to 3, then you will get this is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. The value of limit is 6. Now similarly move on to the second problem. Limit r tends to 1 of pi r square. So here put r is equal to 1, that's equal to pi into r is 1 square. 1 square is 1. Pi into 1, that's equal to pi. The value of limit is pi. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate limit extends to 1 of x cube minus x square plus 1. Here also put x is equal to 1. So if you put x is equal to 1, you will get 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1. 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. The value of limit is equal to 1. Now whereas in the next problem, evaluate limit extends to 4 of 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Here put x is equal to 4. If you put x is equal to 4, you will get 4 into 4 plus 3. That is divided by 4 minus 2. That's equal to 4 for the 16 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 by 2 is the value of limit. Put x is equal to 4. You will get 4 4s are 16 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 is 19 by 2 is the required answer. Okay. Move on to the next problem. Limit x tends to 2 of x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4. Suppose if you put x is equal to 2, if you put x is equal to 2, by putting x is equal to 2, if you put x is equal to 2, what you will get? 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 divided by 2 square minus 4. That is 2 cube, 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 2 square is 4 4s are 16, again 4 2s are 8 divided by 4 minus 4. That means 8 plus 8, 16 minus 16, you will get 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. So in the numerator, you can take limit x tends to 2 of, you can remove the common factor, take x common factor out. If x is taken out, then this is x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by, in the denominator, x square minus 4. So this can be written as limit x tends to 2 of, factorize the numerator. So x square minus 4x plus 4 can be written as, this is nothing but x minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x. So this can be written as x into x minus 2 whole square divided by, just apply a square minus b square, x square minus x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square. This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, x plus 2 into x minus 2. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. We can cancel one x minus 2 in the numerator and denominator. Limit x tends to 2 of x into, what is there? We have x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Now put x is equal to 2 here. Now this, since x is not equal to 2, put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, this is 2 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0 into 2 is 0 divided by 4, that's equal to 0. The value of limit is equal to 0. Right. Okay. Move on to the next problem. Limit x tends to minus of x to the power of 10 plus x raised to 5 plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Very simple problem. Straight away you can put the value of limit. Put x is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1 to the power of 10 plus minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. If you multiply minus 1 10 times, you will get positive value. If you multiply minus 1 5 times, so minus 1 to the power of 5 is minus 1, minus 1 to the power of 10 is plus 1. So this becomes minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, 1 divided by minus 2, that's equal to minus 1 by 2 is the simplified answer. So the value of limit is minus 1 by 2. So just put x is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 to the power of 10 plus minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. So if you multiply minus 1 5 times, you will get negative value. Minus 1 to the power of 10, if you multiply 10 times, you will get plus 1 itself. So plus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. 1 divided by minus 2 is minus 1 by 2 is the simplified answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Limit x tends to 2 of 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. This is also same as that of the previous problem. Just by putting x is equal to 2, 2 square minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 is 0 in the denominator, whereas in the numerator, so in the numerator if you put x is equal to 2, what happens? This is equal to 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 4. So 3 4s are 12 minus 12 divided by 4 minus 4 means 0 by 0 form is obtained, which is an indeterminate form. 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form. Now factorize this. In the denominator, x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2. Whereas the numerator, 3x square minus x minus 10. This can be factorized. Just factorize this. So this can be written as 3x into x, and this 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10. If you multiply 3 2s are 6x and 5 into x is 5x. Just subtract, you will get 1x. So that should be equal to minus. So this is minus and plus. See, 3x into x is 3x square, plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10, 5x minus 6x is minus x. So, you will get negative x, the middle term. So, the factors can be written as, the factors are 3x plus 5 into x minus 2 are the factors. So, therefore, the given limits becomes limit x tends to 2 of x 3x square minus x minus 10. The factors are 3x plus 5 into x minus 2 divided by, in the denominator, a square minus b square, x plus 2 into x minus 2. So, x minus 2 gets cancelled. What is left is limit x tends to 2 of 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now, put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, what happens? 3 into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 divided by 4. So, that is equal to 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 4. The answer is 11 by 4 is the required answer. So, the answer for this problem is 11 by 4. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, this is also same as that of the previous problem. So, if you put x is equal to, by putting x is equal to 2, 0 by 0 form is obtained, which is an indeterminate form. So, therefore, this can be evaluated as limit x tends to 2 of, you can take x square common factor. What is left in the numerator is x minus 2 divided by. So, factorize the denominator. Denominator x square minus 5x plus 6 can be written as 3 2s are, this is x into x. So, minus and minus. What happens? Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. If you cross multiply, you will get minus 3x minus 2x. Then the middle term is minus 5x. So, the factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3. Substitute here. The factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now, this x minus 2 gets cancelled. What is left over is limit x tends to 2 of x square divided by x minus 3. Now, put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, what happens? This is equal to 2 square divided by x is 2 minus 3. 2 square is 4 divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 4 divided by minus 1 is minus 4. The value of the limit is minus 4. Okay. Hope you followed. Right. Now, move on to the next problem. Limit x tends to 1 of ax square plus bx plus c divided by cx square minus bx plus a. Now, here also you can put x is equal to 1. So, if you put x is equal to 1, what happens? This is a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c divided by c into 1 square is 1 minus b into 1 plus a. So, 1 square is 1 into a is a, 1 into b is b plus c divided by c square. C into 1 square is 1 into c, c minus b into 1 is b plus a. So, this can be written as a plus b plus c divided by a minus b plus c. This is the answer. On the other hand, the same problems make, this problem can also be, the one more problem is evaluate limit x tends to 1 of same numerator is same ax square plus bx plus c divided by, in the denominator, cx square plus bx plus a. If it is like this, then here put x is equal to 1. So, what you will get? A into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c divided by c into 1 square plus b into 1 plus a. A into 1 square is a plus b into 1 is b plus c divided by, in the denominator, c into 1 square is c, b into 1 is b plus a. So, numerator is a plus b plus c. Denominator is, put it in order, a plus b plus c. So, these two gets cancelled. The answer we are going to get is 1. So, both our numerator and denominator are positive term is, then you will get 1. So, if negative sign in place of minus bx or in place of minus a, you are going to get this answer, right, like this. Now, this is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the limit x tends to 0 of ax plus b divided by cx plus 1. So, straight away you can put the value of x. Now, if you put x is equal to 0, then what happens? This is equal to a into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus 1. A into 0 is 0 plus b divided by c into 0 is 0 plus 1. So, this is b divided by 1 is equal to b. This is the required answer. Now, similarly, let us take one more problem. Suppose if limit x tends to minus 1 of plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Then put x is equal to minus 1. Then what happens? 8 into minus 1 whole cube plus 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So 8 into, if you multiply minus 1 3 times, minus into minus is minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 8 plus 1 by minus 1. So what is this equal to? Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7 divided by minus 1. This is equal to plus 7. The required answer is plus 7. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve the problems. Whenever limit x tends to 0 of ax plus b divided by cx plus 1, you put x is equal to 0, you will get the answer. Suppose if it is like this, limit x tends to minus 1 of 8x cube plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So this is the required answer. Suppose if the problem is like this, limit x tends to 2 of 1 over x plus 1 over 2 divided by x plus 2. In this case, just apply the limit. Put x is equal to 2, that's all. If you put x is equal to 2, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Just apply the limit for both numerator and denominator. So what is this? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half is 1 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4. So the required answer is 1 by 4. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So this is how we are going to evaluate the limits whenever depending upon the value of a. Right. So hope you followed. These are few examples for algebraic limits, right? So hope you followed. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.